Community.
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 Community. Community.
Community.
I've heard it said that Lake Gregory is the heart of the mountain.
People are always really excited to be here. I know people are always like, I've lived up here for 13 years and I've never come in, and it's really exciting to see everybody be able to take part in something that's been here for so long.
You're right in the center focal point of the whole area that we live in.
I've lived in Crestline 4 years now, and in that time I've seen Lake Gregory Company come in. They've cleaned up the lake, they've made it a destination, they've revitalized it and just made it somewhere you want to spend time at.
You actually get to work in front of a lake. You are not trapped in an office or, like where you have to be the whole day in front of a computer. So you just see nature by itself, and it's so wonderful.
It impacts them on a personal, deeper level, and so I think that this is kind of like the heart of the town and the community.
Other people should work here because it is a very fun environment to be at. During the summer, a lot of people get jobs that are, consistent and doing the same thing over and over again, whereas working here, there's always something new to do, something new to learn. Whether you're working at the boathouse and working with vessels, or speaking with the guests, or lifeguarding, or working in the grill, there's always something for someone based on your skills.